The collet is a type of chuck that holds the router bit in your router. It works with the collet nut and a taper that is milled into the router shaft. As the nut pulls the collet into the shaft, the taper squeezes the collet tightly around the router bit. The collet can be damaged by rust. If it isn't tightened enough, it can allow the bit to slip, which will wear the collet. Replacing the collet is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the base from the router. Now I can remove the collet nut. I'll use the button to lock the spindle and the wrench to remove the nut. With the nut removed, now I can remove the collet. To install the new collet, I insert it taper side down into the spindle. I'll thread the nut onto the spindle and secure it in place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the base. And that's how simple it is to replace the collet in your laminate trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up